Welcome to Consumer Flix, your go-to channel for the latest drone leaks and reviews. Helicopter DJI Air 4 leaks are here, and this next-gen drone is shaping up to be a game-changer. With rumored upgrades in camera quality, flight time, and AI-powered features, DJI might be taking things to the next level. But what can we really expect? Stick around as we break down all the latest leaks and rumors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive drone news and updates. Improved flight performance and stability. DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 is expected to feature enhanced flight stability and agility, outperforming its predecessor. Advanced propulsion systems and refined aerodynamics could allow for smoother flight even in windy conditions. Compared to older models, it may have a more responsive control system, making it ideal for both beginners and professionals. Upgraded camera and imaging capabilities. DJI Air 4. Equipped with a new sensor, the Air may 4th offer improved low-light performance and higher dynamic range. Compared to previous Canon drones, it could feature better image stabilization and real-time HDR capabilities. The upgraded lens system might provide sharper details and more vibrant colors, perfect for high-quality aerial shots. Extended battery life and efficient power management. DJI Air 4. With a more efficient battery system, the DJI Air 4 is likely to provide a longer flight duration. Improvements in power optimization could lead to extended use without frequent recharging. Compared to earlier models, this drone might support fast charging technology, reducing downtime between flights. Advanced obstacle avoidance and AI assistance. DJI Air 4. The Air 4 is expected to integrate AI-powered flight assistance for smarter navigation. Enhanced obstacle detection sensors could improve flight safety, especially in automated modes. Compared to older drones, this model may feature improved object tracking and precise return-to-home functionality. Enhanced connectivity and remote control features. DJI Air 4. With upgraded transmission technology, the DJI Air 4 could provide a stronger and more stable connection over longer distances. Compared to previous Canon drones, it might feature lower latency and improved signal strength, allowing for smoother live streaming. The addition of an upgraded controller with customizable settings could further enhance the user experience. Expanded intelligent flight modes. DJI Air 4. The Air may 4th introduce new intelligent flight modes, making aerial photography easier and more creative. Compared to its predecessors, it could offer more precise subject tracking and automated cinematic shots. These features could make it an excellent tool for both professionals and hobbyists looking to capture dynamic footage effortlessly. Improved wind resistance and outdoor performance. DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 is expected to feature a stronger, more durable frame with improved wind resistance. This could make it more reliable in challenging weather conditions compared to older models. Enhanced stabilization might ensure steady footage even in turbulent environments, giving it an edge over previous drones. Compact design with enhanced portability. DJI Air 4. Despite its advanced features, the DJI Air may 4th retain a lightweight and foldable design for easy transport. Compared to bulkier Canon drones, it could offer greater convenience for travelers and outdoor adventurers. Its refined build may also improve durability while maintaining a sleek and professional appearance. Advanced obstacle avoidance for safer flights. DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 is expected to come with an upgraded obstacle avoidance system, allowing for more precise navigation in complex environments. Compared to previous models, it may utilize improved AI-based tracking to detect and avoid obstacles in real time, making flights safer and more efficient. Extended battery life for longer flight sessions. DJI Air 4. With a more efficient power system, the DJI Air 4 might offer significantly longer flight times than its predecessor. This improvement would be crucial for aerial photographers and videographers, allowing them to capture more footage without frequent recharging. Improved connectivity with faster data transmission. DJI Air 4. With advancements in transmission technology, the DJI Air 4 might introduce lower latency and a more stable connection for live feeds. Compared to previous models, this improvement would allow smoother video streaming and quicker file transfers, making it more efficient for professional drone pilots. Enhanced low-light performance for night photography. DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 is rumored to feature an improved camera sensor with better low-light capabilities, making night photography and videography more detailed and vibrant. Compared to its predecessor, this upgrade could reduce noise and enhance dynamic range, allowing for clearer shots in dim lighting conditions. Advanced AI-powered autonomous flight modes. DJI Air 4. The DJI Air 4 is expected to introduce smarter AI-driven flight modes, enabling improved subject tracking and obstacle avoidance. Compared to previous models, these enhancements could provide a more seamless flying experience, making it easier for beginners and professionals to capture dynamic shots. Conclusion. The DJI Air 4 is set to bring major improvements in camera quality, flight performance, and battery life, making it a strong contender in the drone market. With enhanced AI features and better stability, it aims to provide both beginners and professionals with a more refined aerial experience. Thanks for watching Consumer Flix. Helicopter, what are your thoughts on the DJI Air 4 leaks? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exclusive drone news and reviews. See you in the next video.